Hello and welcome to Andy's Amateur Adventure. Today we'll be doing another Amateur Handyman episode, and it will be regarding installing the Ford OEM Tailgate Assist. All you need to do this install is something to open the package with, and then socket with some Torx bits. I believe it's T30 and T40. And as you unbox, you can go ahead and inventory everything. You should have an upper mounting arm bracket, a lower up mounting arm bracket, the actual tailgate assist itself, and a couple washers and bolts. And then you're going to have a piece of paper with some QR codes that give instructions in various languages. Okay, when you go to actually do the install, after you've inventoried everything, you go ahead and you go to your tailgate's retention cable, and you remove the tailgate retention cable by lifting up slightly on your tailgate, then pressing the removal button and just pulling it straight out. After you do that, you take, I believe, your T40 Torx bit, it's either T40 or T45, and you remove that Torx bolt that it was hanging off of. After you do that, you take your upper tailgate assist mounting bracket and you mount it back in that same spot, right where, with the exact same bolt that you just removed. The upper mounting bracket and lower mounting brackets are unique shapes. You will not be able to mistake them because only one will actually fit the shape of your rear tailgate properly. The next step is to mount the lower mounting plate. You grab it and there's a bolt that comes with it. You push the bolt through the hole towards the inside, and then it's got a weirdly shaped nut on the other side. And then you use a T30 Torx bit in order to tighten it down. The thing is, it doesn't tighten the way a normal one would, because that weirdly shaped mounting bolt on the inside, if you just put it straight in, all it will do is spin. It has to sit kind of in the entrance of the hole there. But you'll feel it when you get some traction, and you'll tighten it. Just a few foot-pounds of torque is all you'll need. And I adjusted the angle so it would be a bit better. So you can see right now the bolt itself fell into the hole. So what I did is I backed it out, and you hold it so that the bolt is sitting at the entrance of the hole and not actually inside of it. And then I finger tightened it with that bolt sitting at the entrance of the hole. And then I finally used my my ratchet to go the rest of the way. It is a locking nut, so it will not come off into the hole after you have tightened it, with use. And you can see that this is a little bit of finagling to get it right. And it's very easy to fall into or out of that hole instead of keeping that bolt flush with the hole, which is what you need to do the entire time. And the reason I'm not fast forwarding this part is so you guys can see exactly what it takes. I should also mention that usually you would have already removed the bottle openers / tie down point that you see right there. I intentionally left it on because I wanted to show everybody what happens when you leave that on. Just because I haven't seen any other person doing instruction videos actually do that. And now I'm finally getting that piece a little bit tight. And you only get, 5 or 10 pounds of force, and you'll have a little bit of wiggle on it. And I'm trying to tighten the wiggle. Unfortunately, I tightened it too much and the whole thing fell out. So if you do that, just go ahead and loosen a little bit and reattempt. Okay, now I finally have that lower mounting bracket on. That is the only difficult part of this job. Now it's time to mount the actual tailgate assist itself. It is directional. You always put the large part at the top and small part at the bottom. There's no bolts or anything. You just press it on and then you pull down on it to extend it, and then you move the lower piece and you press it on to the bottom mounting bracket. And you do have to wiggle a little bit. Sometimes you'll overextend it and you need to push it back a little, but it just pushes on with a little snap, and then it's mounted. All right, now remember I said I'd show what happens if you don't remove the bottle opener. That's it. It goes to close, but then the bottle opener itself hits tailgate assist and you are not able to close your tailgate. So what you do, you take, I believe, the T30 Torx bit, and you remove those and you can set them aside. What I did is I reinstalled the T30 Torx bit. That way I wouldn't have a hole in my tailgate and hopefully keep water from getting in there. And I put that tie down inside my truck in case I needed to move lumber or something like that later. Once you have this part complete, you are done with your install. And like all my videos, I hope that you found this a little bit educational, informative, and entertaining. I also hope that you have a nice day.